means hello बच्चों. This is a heart. This is a triangle. This is a square. This is a circle. This is a star. And this is a hexagon. Green color. The heart is of green color. Such a pretty green color. Blue color. The triangle is of blue color. The mountain is also in the shape of a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Yellow color. The square is of yellow color. Have a look around you and see what all things are in the shape of a square. A square has 4 equal sides. Pink color. The circle is of pink color. Again, look around you and see what all things are circular in shape. Orange color. The star is of orange color. The star shines bright up in the sky. Orange color. Red color. The hexagon is red in color. The hexagon has 6 equal sides. Wow, we've colored everything. Let's revise. चलो फिर से करते हैं. Heart, green color. Triangle, blue color. Square, yellow color. Circle, pink color. Star, orange color. And hexagon, red color. Simple. चलो कल मिलते हैं. Bye bye.